What's up guys, Ivan here, and this will be full review of this beautiful S-Class, and this is a special version. This is a long wheelbase version, so this is S63 4MATIC Plus long, and these are the keys, new style keys with the Volkswagen logo in the back and AMG logo in the front. And this spec is just beautiful. It has a diamond white bright metallic paint job and a black AMG Napa interior, which I will show you later. So let's take a look at the exterior of this vehicle. Right now we can take a look at the specs of this vehicle. So it has a lot of power and also a lot of optional extras. This is the price, and we can take a look at the exterior of this vehicle. It is beautiful in this color, as I said, and it has many extras. So let's take a closer look from the front and also from the side, so you can see the long wheelbase variant. So this is just really elegant S-Class with very powerful engine. So you can see that the rear doors are 13 centimeters or 5 inches longer than a short wheelbase, and it is really possible to see right now. And also the Maybach version is even longer than the long version, so if you need that, but then you can't have the AMG engine. So yeah, you need to decide what do you want. And now we can take a look at the multi-beams, the multi-beam LED headlights, which are the best headlights from the Mercedes, and they are carried over to the AMG obviously. You have these 3 LED bulbs and main bulb, and these lights can cut out ongoing traffic very easily, so you don't blind other cars, but you see everything else on a high beam. So this front large diffuser has big air intakes, and they look just fantastic and give the car more presence. They look more aggressive. This is the radar behind this front part, and the grille is in chrome, as you can see. Also these vents to the radiators are in carbon, because this car has a carbon package, and around it is black, because this car also has a night package. Also you can see the Mercedes floating star, which is characteristic for the S-Class. So this is a tow hook, and we can see the front arches are more wide, so the car looks more muscular, looks more aggressive, because this is a AMG variant. And right now we can take a closer look at the wheels and the brakes. So these wheels are forged AMG cross spike wheels, 20-inch diameter. And these specific are in matte black. You can see the AMG logo there. And these are the Michelin Pilot Sport 3 tires. And the size of the tires is 255/40 20-inch. And these are the carbon ceramic brakes with bronze calipers and drilled discs. So V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC Plus sign on the front fender, and the mirror caps are in a carbon fiber. So they look very good. I think this is very nice spec with white and carbon details. Also the trim around the window is in chrome, so still this is an elegant vehicle. And also the keyless system in doors and the door handles are in a chrome decor. So these are the cameras for the Distronic Plus, and the Mercedes-Benz logo in the mirror caps as well. And you can see the side skirt is also in carbon fiber. Rear windows have like a polarization, so you don't see anything inside, almost anything. And this is a panoramic roof, which has 2 sections, and only body color is the white part in the rear. You can unlock the car with your cell phone with NFC system. This is just a really stunning vehicle. All the proportions, everything is great, and this facelift just made it even better. Also these vertical lines, but the tail lamps are more like a horizontal shape. You can see the AMG emblem and S63 emblem, and also 4 exhaust pipes. These are in the black because of the night package, otherwise they would be chrome. And yeah, on the left side is AMG logo with the new Mercedes AMG vehicles. Then is Mercedes-Benz star, and then the S63, the model name of the particular model vehicle. And on the exhaust pipes you can see the AMG logo as well. The lower section of the rear bumper is also in the carbon fiber, as you can see, and it gives this luxury big saloon more appearance. So now we can open the bonnet, the hood, and take a look at the powertrain of this vehicle. So this car has nonetheless the Hot V V8 engine, which has two turbochargers on the top of the cylinder banks, as you can see in the middle where is the cutout. And you can see also these two air shafts going to the engine, and there is a plaque of the mechanic which handcrafted this engine, Sergio Rodriguez. And this car has a various heat shields and sound isolation, because still this is a luxury car, but with a very performance oriented engine. Every part like this has a QR code, so they can backtrace when there is a problem with the engine. And this particular engine develops 612 horsepower, which is 450 kilowatts, and 900 newton meters of torque, and from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour it can go in 3.5 seconds, which is very fast. The engine is coupled with AMG SpeedShift MCT 9-speed sports transmission, which is a multi-clutch transmission, and the top speed electronically limited is 250 kilometers per hour or 300 kilometers per hour with the optional AMG drivers package. So the 4MATIC Plus is a variable all-wheel drive system which can put the 100% on the rear wheels, and also the torque distribution is continuously calculated to give you the best acceleration possible and the best grip on the tarmac, and also give you plenty grip on the wet or the snowy roads, so you have always 100% of the best possible grip. And right now you can close the bonnet, the hood. And this bonnet is very heavy, so just release it and it will close automatically. And right now we can take a look at the interior of this vehicle. And the keyless system works like that. If you want to close it, just press the one button, and if you place the palm inside of the door handle, then you can open it. The doors are very heavy, so this is AMG illuminated door trim. And now we can take a look at the interior of this vehicle, which is really beautiful, and it has a lot of different features. So let's go. Alright guys, so this is the interior of the S63 Long, which is a long wheelbase version of this vehicle. And as you can see, these are the controls for the seat ventilation, seat heating. You can operate the headrest, and you can operate the right passenger seat with this button. You have here also the memory seats, and you can put up and down the rear sound blind. So this is the Burmester speaker, fully electric AMG seats, carbon fiber decor. You can close the car or open it, and you have this nice like perforated diamond stitching, which is not stitching but it's like perforation in the leather in the shape of the diamond. And this is the interior, the cockpit from the rear seat. So you can see the ambient lighting and everything about this car. So this is all black interior basically. You can see even this AMG Performance steering wheel, which is in combination of the Dynamica and also the carbon fiber, which is just a gorgeous option. Very interesting. So we can turn on the ignition. Alright guys, so I turn it on the ignition and you can see this beautiful ambient lighting, which is just fantastic. Alright guys, so that's it for this review, and I'm very glad that I could bring you this special vehicle and show you a bunch of features of this vehicle. So if you like this video, then give this video a like, subscribe for plenty more videos, and guys, I will see you soon in the next video. Have a great day!